Tired of flat, lifeless TV audio? What if I told you a compact soundbar could transform your living room into a cinematic experience? Meet the Sonos Ray, a game changer for your home entertainment. Don't let its sleek, unassuming design fool you. The Sonos Ray is engineered to deliver clearer, more powerful sound than you ever thought possible from a small, standalone soundbar. We're not just talking about louder volume. We're talking about precision. Dialogue in movies becomes crystal clear, no more straining to catch whispered lines. And when the action heats up, this little marvel creates a surprisingly wide soundstage, enhancing the drama and pulling you right into the heart of the scene. Explosions feel impactful, soundtracks become expansive, and you'll find yourself rediscovering details in your favorite content you never knew were there. It's truly dynamic sound that elevates every moment. Now, if you're thinking, another complicated gadget to set up? Think again. Sonos understands that your time is precious. The Ray boasts a zero-stress setup that is genuinely a breeze. You'll only need 2 cables, one for power, one for your TV, and the intuitive Sonos app guides you through the rest. From unboxing to enjoying rich, immersive audio, you're looking at mere minutes. No confusing menus, no tangled wires, no technical headaches. It's designed so anyone can get premium sound without the fuss, letting you spend less time configuring and more time enjoying. But the Sonos Ray isn't just for enhancing your TV viewing. It's a music lover's dream, too. Imagine effortlessly streaming all your favorite content from services like Spotify, Apple Music, and more, all over your home Wi-Fi. With built-in support for the Sonos app, Apple AirPlay 2, and Spotify Connect, you have a world of audio at your fingertips. No more fumbling with Bluetooth connections or worrying about dropouts. The Ray integrates seamlessly into the Sonos ecosystem, meaning you can easily expand to multi-room audio later if you choose. It's about giving you unparalleled access to all your entertainment, whenever and wherever you want it, with rock-solid reliability. So, if you're ready to ditch the dull, tinny sound of your TV and embrace an audio experience that truly brings your content to life, the Sonos Ray is an absolute must-have. It's compact, powerful, incredibly easy to set up, and incredibly versatile. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a transformation of your entire home entertainment. Don't just watch and listen. Truly experience your movies, music, and games with the clarity and depth they deserve. Elevate your everyday. Rediscover your favorite shows and tunes with stunning audio. Ready to